Good morning. We are on to day 5. Our starter's looking really good. It's smelling exponentially better than it did yesterday. A little more on the sweeter side, fluffy side. I feel like it smells like fluffy, especially when starter's fed. And this one's just starting to even out. So we're going to tear our scale, get a new jar. I'm going to use my measuring cup today. Going to measure out 28 grams of starter base that we have been working on this week. If you need to start this, go and check out day 1. It's very simple to start, just flour and water in equal parts. Tear our scale and add 28 grams of water. And then we're going to take our flour mix from day 1, the all-purpose and whole wheat flour mix. Yours might be a little bit different, and that's okay. Add 28 grams to that. We're going to mix that up really well. Make sure you don't have any dry flour left. Sorry, my camera's refocusing. I'm not even sure what it's focusing on right now. Some speck in the air. Mix that really well, and then we are going to recover it with cheesecloth. I'm using a new piece of cheesecloth today. I had a little bit of starter on my cheesecloth I've been using, so I'm going to get rid of that and get a fresh piece out. Get that covered up, and then we're going to store it out of direct sunlight for the next 12 hours, and then we'll feed it again this evening, again in 12 hours. All right, guys. Thank you. See you later.